Listview Colors extension. The extension works by specifying colors of records in the list view on the basis of a condition. It is a smart way to group the records and find what's needed. To specify color, first access the main menu, select Settings and click on CRM Settings. From the sidebar, select Other Settings and click on List View Colors. Click on Add Color button to add a new color. Now, select the module, status, text color, background color, and enter condition name. You can also set the color of related records. Now, set the condition for which the color will be shown. Here I am added a condition to display records whose contact ID is not empty in yellow background and black text color. After setting up your conditions, click Save to save the changes. Now let's test the color. To test, access the module for which you configured a new color. You can see that the records which satisfy the condition I set are colored in yellow. That's it. By configuring our List View Colors extension, you can speed up your searching operations by defining colors for the records